Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to dropship on WeD2C. So first thing that you should do is you have to download the application in App Store or your Play Store. So just go to any of that application, and then right here, you just have to use the search bar at the top, and you have to type out WeD2C, and then you'd be able to see this application over here. So what you're going to do next is to simply download the application and install it in your device. And then once done, just have to simply click on open, and you'd be directed to this page. And then just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and you'd be directed to your home page over here. Okay, so you just have to scroll down and be able to see here the business experiences. Okay, so now when you go to the product section, you'd be able to see here all of the products that you can use or that you can share or you can add to your store in order to earn your money. So below the product, you'd be able to see here the commission that you're gonna get when you share this product and when someone is going to click on this product and purchase this product using your link. Okay, so for example, this product over here, you'd be able to see here the price of this product as well as the current earnings. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you just have to simply read the product information, and then if you think the price of the product is going to sell well using your platforms, then you can share this one. So when you click on the share button, so of course you have to log in first with your account. So you can log in with your Google account or your Facebook account. And when you click on the add to store option as well, you have to log in first in order to add this to your store or to share this to your platforms. So what you're going to do is you go to the mine section, this one at the bottom right of your screen, and then just simply click on the logged in option. Okay, so when you click on the logged in option over here, you just have to enter your email address or simply logged in with your Google account or Facebook account. And then after that, you'd be logged in successfully. Then right here, we have to edit our nickname. So when you click on it, you can upload your profile picture, you can add a name, and you can also verify your email. So let me just add here my name, and then just click on save. Okay, so now let us go and then select our country or region. So just click on this section, and then you have to search for your country. So I'll be using the Philippines, and then click on confirm, and then you also have to type out here your date of birth. Okay, and then after that, you will then just have to click on confirm. And then if you have careers, so you just have to click on this one and then just click on confirm. And when you click on the product preferences, you'll be able to see or choose which categories your friends may like. So you can select all of this and then just click on save. And then after that, let's go back here, and then everything is set. So let's go back to our product section. So now let's try to look for a product that we are going to add to our store and we are going to share using our platforms. Okay, so for example, this one over here, we have the product price. You can see the sold number of this product. And then of course, we have to activate first our store in order to add this item. Okay, we have to create our store name, and then you can also add here our store URL so customers can visit our store via URL. So if this name has been occupied, you have to edit your store name. Okay, then right here, you have to add your store URL before you can activate your store. Okay, so for example, essentials, then if this one is not going to work, you have to add another. Okay, or you can change this one. So let me just add my name. Okay, so just make sure this is the correct store URL, and then just click on activate. Once your store is activated, this add to store button will be available. So you just have to click on this one. And then here for the price setting, and when you go to the general section, you'll be able to see here your price. Okay, so you can edit this one if you want to, and then you'll be able to see here below the estimated earning. Okay, but for this one, I'm just going to leave this one as it is. And then here for the, you can also edit the variant price. Okay, so if you would like to change the price depending on the variant of the products. You can do that as well, of course. Then right here for the shipping cost calculation. So for example, a ship from China, and then you would like to ship this to United States. So you'd be able to see here the shipping method for the standard delivery. You also have the priority delivery. You also have the express delivery. So the prices or the shipping cost will depends on the delivery method that they're going to choose. And if you would like to enable this free shipping settings, you can just click on the switch over here. So now that everything is set up, you just have to click on add to store, and then you can see this your store, continue browsing. So let us continue browsing. So let me just share this one to my platforms. So when you click on the share button, this one at the bottom right of your screen, you'll be able to see here the price settings. So you have the general and the group buy. Then after that, you just have to click on share, and then you can also toggle the switch on for the download with QR code. Okay, and then right here, one click sharing money coming. You'll be able to see here the copy link option. You also have your different social media platforms. You can go with Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, Twitter, or Line. Okay, you can also send this or share this to using SMS or via email. You can also save all the images for this one. And if you would like to, upload images of this using your Facebook, then you can use all of the images of this product. So after that, since this one is added to our store, let us look for a product that we can add, So let's go back here to our store, and you'll be able to see here all of the product that we have added. So let us try to look for more products. So I think this one is good. So let me just click on this one. So if you would like to see product that can be shipped from US, then just have to click on this one. But as you can see, I don't see any products over here. So I'm just going to click this one once again, and then I'd be able to see here more products. So I think this one, so right here, as you can see, when we're able to sell this product, we'll be able to get $26.53 when we're going to share this one. Okay, so what we're going to do here is to simply add this to our store, and then you can edit your price. Then you can edit also the pricing variants if you want to. And then if you would like to share this product to your social media platforms and earn your commissions, you just have to click on share. And then if you would like to, message the WeD2C support, you just have to click on that icon over here. And then you can now start discussing your concern regarding the product. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.